Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's GALA video update. And holy shit, this is actually crazy. And very quickly join me into the Discord as well, and I'm gonna actually bring this very quick update just for you. And first things first, I want to talk about the bull flag. Here's your bull flag. You've broken out of the bull flag, and this is your next technical target. Very simple. It's gonna be a very quick update from there to there. You're looking for 0.48, and basically this is gonna be a nice lovely pump from there to there. Like, is this 42% pump? Oh my goodness. What? No. This cannot be. Wait. Is this 42% pump? What the hell? Guys, yes, that it is 42% pump, by the way. So yeah, so you're looking for 42% pump by from GALA from there to there. Yes, it is 40%. I don't believe this one, right? Now that's the first thing, that you have the bull flag breaking out of, you're breaking out of a bull flag. And basically the second thing that you have is a morning star. So you have two very bullish signs right now, the morning star and the bull flag, right? So this is actually looking to take you to the $0.47, and that's going to be your next price target out of that bull flag as well. And that's it. Very quick update, no big fancy stories, guys. This is your next technical target out of the bull flag, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.